course. And we do have, what else? Okay, meron tayong cove. This is a cove ceiling. Probably a recessed ceiling na. Tapos meron diyang nakaupo na parang, I don't know, nagni-nail cutter or naglalagay ng medyas. Ayan, chinecheck na natin yung accuracy ng drawing. Kung mapansin nyo, wala yung guidelines. But definitely, it is accurate. So, papunta siya sa vanishing point. Para doon sa mga students ng NU Manila and NU Fairview. Shouts sa inyo kung nanonood man kayo ngayon. So, alam nyo na tong technique na to, pare. Tapos, doon sa mga estudyante also from other schools na nakuha nyo yung technique na to, na shout sa inyo. I think probably the Batangas State University. Ayan, ang alam ko na kuha nila ba itong technique na to. Nagkaroon tayo ng talk last time. Probably I'll just also post some of the videos that I did have during the talk. Ayan, gumagawa lang ako ng texture as of now. So, simpleng mga lines lang to keep the rug as interesting as possible. Now, we're working with 3 shades of gray. So, ito ay marker. Kung hindi nagkakamali, this is a Koi brush pen marker. Ito yung light tone bal. So, I typically teach the students that the light tone are typically the rebel with all of the tones. So, this